Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to work with design ideas when you're in PowerPoint and you're working with a slide. So here is just a template that I brought into PowerPoint, and now I'm going to focus my attention on making sure that I change or modify this particular slide, and I need some ideas. So I'm going to come up and click on Design Ideas right here. And when I click on Design Ideas, this new panel opens up over here. When that panel opens up, it gives me some different options to choose from. So for example, this has a blue gradient over the image, but let's say I don't want that blue gradient. Well, I'm going to choose this one. What's it going to look like? That changes the slide. If I scroll down, here's some other options here. So the thing about design ideas is it works within a slide in PowerPoint. And if you really have a slide that you like, but it's not 100% perfect, try some of the design ideas to go in and modify and see how they work. You might get an idea that you really like. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.